care who it is. It could be Democrat, it could be Republican, it could be whatever. But the fact of the matter is, we all should have heavy hearts right now.
Okay, so you knew she was going to go to that level of the rich need to pay their fair share, because that's what they do when they don't have anything else to say. Again, what does that do to the city being sources of needs, why are the money, but the priorities are not? So what does that have to do with taxes? We know that California is the highest tax state, and the areas that were actually turned to ash are of individuals who have a little bit more money than the average person in LA, that is for sure. So I don't know where she was going with all that. All right, so here's my question. I'd love for you guys to answer in the comment section below. I did link the petition that you can sign, especially if you're from California or in that area, or you have a family member there. Have them sign it. But my question is this: do you believe there will be enough signatures to initiate the recall process for the Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass? Let me know what your thoughts are about that in the comment section below. Now, speaking of the mayor, the Los Angeles fire chief threw her under the bus yesterday, where she made her rounds on the media and exposed the incompetence of the mayor and how much that mayor has been underfunding the fire department.